Right, we're ready to go again. I've reset up. I'm just going to touch off. We'll call that 0. I've rewound the code, regen the toolpath, cycle start, and when it starts I'm going to reduce the speed to 10%. And see if we get a good as finish as we did before. And she comes. Right. Reduce the travel speed to 10%. I'm only working with a small cutter. And only a very small movement. Again, it's dropping down 0.200ths of a millimetre on every pass. So either we've got the job right or wrong. To stop this. Paint running painfully slow. No, I don't think that code's right. It seems to be working more over one side than is the other, so I'm going to have to redo the code, I think. We're going to get down to height. I just want it to mark it so I can see where it's cutting. It's not bad. Now you can see it closer, so I'll just let it cut, I think. Oh, The code stopped just as it touched. I'll have to rewrite the code. I'll come back in a minute or two or three or four. Right, we're ready to go again. I've redone the G code, and I'm getting ready to cut the whole slot. I'm going to slow the speed down again. And here we go. Didn't need to slow it down so much. That's coming back now. Slow. What's it doing? Oh, the G code's not right again. It's too high. Right, we gotta go do the G code again. Oh, it's a pain, G code. Can be. Right, here we go. Number 9. Oh dear. What I've done is just altered the code to say to go past the bottom depth by 4mm and see if that's done anything. See if it can go past the surface now. And it's gone into minus now. We might get our slot yet. Why I had to trick it by putting an offset on it, I don't know. course, it's like everything I've done in the last couple of years, it's all new to me. It's learning all the time. I can do these things, but I don't know everything about it. G-code, I do a lot with it, but I don't know everything. I've done overkill, it's going too far through, but it's nearly there now. Unfortunately, we lost the sound at this point. I think the problem has been that as I sat down, I was using a radio mic, and I think my fat arse disconnected it. Unfortunately, it was the same on several other clips I've got around this time. Anyway, the port was inlet port was successfully bored, as you can see, and so we'll end it here. So once again, thank you very much for watching and subscribing if you would, and pressing the like button. Thank you very much. Bye for now.